Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. This is for the 3K subscriber giveaway. Hold on, I'm just getting my thing here. Which I actually had announced on the 16th of August and said that I would draw on the 23rd. However, my computer died on the early morning of the 22nd. It wouldn't turn on. And I had no way of doing this, so I'm doing it now. And there will be 3 winners. What you had to do is watch this video. That's an advertisement. But it was titled 3K Subbie Giveaway Announcement, 8/16/2020. The requirements are you have to be a subscriber. You were to leave a thumbs up, and I can see the numbers. You can't. And you had to leave a kind comment down below. So I have put this, you probably can't see it well, but it ends in 541S. So let's go over here. I've already put the URL in. My laptop is actually also, if you flip it, it's a what do you call those things? Notebook. I'm filtering duplicate users because I think I did have one duplicate. And so we're going to pick 3. So we're going to first get YouTube comments. Amount of unique comments is 54. Awesome. So again, you had to be a subscriber, which I'll check. I'm going to assume anybody that commented is. If somebody isn't, I'll do a redraw for however many people aren't, but I'm going to right now assume they are instead of taking the time on this video to go check. All right, so I'm going to pick start. Little Crafty Nook. Nikki! Yay! Let me get a piece of paper to write on. Oh my goodness. Congratulations, Little Crafty Nook. So let me write that down. Okay, so here's how it is. She has a choice of either $50 to her PayPal account, or she can pick a medium flat rate box, surprise box of either Christmas, fall, or Halloween. I think is what I said. Yeah, and it's going to be mostly D-stash stuff, although there may end up being some new things in there too if I don't have enough unopened things. So winner 1 is Lil Crafty Nook. Now, if she doesn't choose one of the boxes, which are not put together yet, I didn't bother putting them together unless somebody picked one. But if she picks one of the boxes, whatever theme she picks will not be available for the next person. So for the next 2 winners, when you get back to me, give me your priority. If you want a box, give me your priority of Christmas, fall, or Halloween, what your preference in order is, and I'll give it to you in that order. Or if your preference is, like, say, a Christmas box, otherwise, if that's already taken, the $50 PayPal, that's okay too. I just will only have 1 box each for, because I don't have enough stuff to do 3 boxes of Christmas, for example. I don't think. I hope not. All right, so that is number 1, Little Crafty Nook is the winner. Congratulations, yay! All right, so let's pick another winner. Oh, wait, we have to say, oh, she just wrote congratulations and lots of, I guess that's positive, right? She had claps and flowers and hearts and I don't know what that other thing is. Oh, 2 types of flowers. Okay. So that's positive. It's not negative. Okay, so we're going to pick another winner. And the second winner is Lori Seabrook. It says, congrats. I hope you can see me. I hope you get to 10,000 and more. Let me know. Goodies sound great. Christmas or fall D-stash, yum. You are the best. So that's positive to me. And remember that comments didn't have to be about me, or they could have been anything positive. I know one person wrote a quote. So anyway, Lori Seabrook, you are the second winner. So as soon as I hear from Little Crafty Nook, If she doesn't take the Christmas, well, if she takes Christmas or fall, you can have one or the other, right? The other one. All right. So winner number 3 will be, whoops, I don't know. Here we go. Agape for Gigi. There you go, Gigi. Now let me see what she said. Congrats, Deb, on reaching a wonderful milestone. I really enjoy your lives when I can catch them. I think your cards are so beautiful. I have several purchases I'll be making, thank you, in the next 2 months. The little catalog has me going nuts. Yeah, it did that to me too. La la. Anyways, thanks for this wonderful chance to win. Hugs always, Gigi. Okay. They're all positive. None of them are negative, so that's a good thing. So those are our 3 winners, guys. Lil Crafty Nook, Lori Seabrook, and Agape for Gigi. Thank you very much. And like I said, this is not sponsored by anybody, just me. So, ladies, if you could each email me, I'll give you my email address if you don't already have it. I think you all do. Okay, hang on. I'm writing it so you can. It's Dahlia Designs, DAHLIA DESIGNS 57@gmail.com. Dahlia Designs 57@gmail.com. Please email me and let me know your prize preferences, either the $50 to PayPal, which of course you can spend on anything. You wouldn't even have to spend it on crafty stuff. Or if you want a crafty medium flat rate goodie box of either, then give me your preference. And those will not be, by the way, there will not be Stampin' Up! Products. They'll be things I had bought pre-Stampin' Up! Or soon after Stampin' Up! When I wasn't sure I was going to do this very long. So that's things in my stash for Christmas or fall or Halloween. So let me know, ladies, and congratulations. And I'm sorry to the rest of you that didn't win. I wanted to do this fair. That's why I waited for my laptop to come back so that I could use my phone to record, and thankfully learned how to do that. And do the video URL. So congratulations to those 3. And I will go now and check their what do you call it? Subscription status, but I'm pretty sure all 3 are subscribed because I've seen them around a lot. 2 of them especially recently. So anyway, I will double check, and like I said, if anybody isn't and can't prove it to me that they are, then I'll do a redraw for whoever that is. So okay, everyone, have a great Sunday, and I'll be back later this evening for Sunday stamping. Bye for now.